You're going to love learning this design. Begin with the Wildflowers matte top coat on top of a black nail. Cure. Next, grab the Wildflowers clear build-in bottle and put a stripe down the center of the nail. Grab the Wildflowers bullion pens in silver or gold and pop the little bullion beads into the middle. Spread them out right where they need to go. And then once they're all in place and perfectly positioned, cure for 30 seconds. The last step is to take the Wildflowers matte top coat and top over the entire nail and cure. I love the look of this nail. It has great texture, the bullion is protected from the top coat, and it's so wearable. Have fun making it. Our longer online courses like this one from the No Show Nail Academy, you can find the information for that in the link down below. If you want to shop on our website is www.wildflowersnails.com. There you will find products, classes, everything you saw in this video. If you want to come to one of our hands-on workshops, just visit our website, click on classes or workshops. You can click enroll to see what we have coming up. Our next big class is in February. It's called Master Artist Week. There you will take 8 nail art classes. It is a week of nail art glory. You'll create 48 nails yourself. I will be there to help you hands-on for that class. So again, it's in February. It's a week-long class. I hope you'll be able to make it out to that. We'll also soon be posting our schedule of some of the other shows that we'll be attending throughout the year where you can catch us. So I look forward to meeting you. I look forward to teaching you more. And consider coming to our Master Artist Week. It's an amazing way to invest in your nail career. Again, you can shop online anytime at wildflowersnails.com. Be sure to subscribe to our channel for tutorials every Thursday, and we are going to have some online classes coming up soon, so stay tuned. Thanks for watching.